Okay, so we just come to this 2002 Nissan Pathfinder. Just picked the lock here now, and we're going to decode the boot lock. This is the best one out. The other ones have been screwdrivered, and the passenger one's been screwdrivered, and the door lock on the driver's side is a bit average. So we'll decode this, and we'll make a key to this, and then we'll put a battery in it, and we'll program it up. Okay, we've just cut the key, and we'll try it in the boot, see if it works. Oh, beautiful. Perfect. Unlocks. Now the ignition itself, I just had a look at this before, and it's been cable tied on, and this is the switch to acknowledge that there's a key in there. So we're actually going to have to take this off, and the button just there won't go in, so we'll have to work around that. I'll just do a quick video of it going. I'll start it. Not enough. Okay. Job done.